Hey guys, what's up? We got another box break for Wehobays. I guess that's right. Sorry if I got that wrong. We're gonna do 2011 Topps Platinum. This is box number 40. Here we go. Hope we get something nasty, man. Arian Foster. Well, here's your first autograph. Rob Hauser. 1050. And rainbow. Dallas Clark. Emerald. Sam Bradford. And Jimmy Smith, rookie. I think you're supposed to get 2 on-card autographs and a patch. Dallas Clark. And here's a second autograph. John Clay, numbered to 1550. I got you 2 on cards already. Andre Johnson. Daniel Thomas, rookie. He's a good one. Kellen Winslow. Jarrell Jernigan. Vernon Davis. Bilal Powell, X-Fractor. Oh, that glare is really bad. That should help it a little bit. Sorry about that glare, man. It's really cloudy here today. Marshawn Lynch. DJ Williams, X-Fractor. Oh, this feels like the patch. Yeah, it is. Ricky Stanzi. Ooh, that looks nice. That's nice. Marcel Darius. Number to 125. 4-color patch auto. We actually pulled one. It looks almost exact. I think it's exact. It looks exactly like this the other day. It's crazy. Looks like it's going to be off the number, maybe. But yeah, we pulled one almost exactly like that. I don't think it's numbered to 125 though, but the patch is almost exactly like that. That's a nice hit, man. Man, that should be the hit. We still have half the box left. Jeez. Michael Vick. Oh, you got a 4th. Darren Evans, auto, number to 1,000. That's weird. Prince Auction Euro. I didn't know they had fillers in here. We're getting 4 autographs though. That's crazy. Sean Green, Emerald. Wes Welker. Shane Breen, Blue, rookie. Number to 299. Not a bad one to have. Ruby Red, Jermichael Finley. These are all mixed up. Deshaun Jackson. Ryan Mallett, rookie. Aaron Rodgers. Ricky Stanzi, X-Fractor. Mike Williams. DeLone Carter, rookie. Marquise Colston. Christian Ponder, X-Fractor rookie. It's a good one. Javid Best. Vincent Brown, rookie. Whoops. The cards are falling down. You got 3 packs that play. You got 4 autographs though, huh? Beating the odds. Champ Bailey. Mark Ingram, rookie. Felix Jones. Oh, you got a 5th autograph. Prince Akamara, 2175. You got 5 autographs. That's probably the best box I've had so far. You got 1 more pack with me. Can we go for 6 autographs? Brandon Pettigrew, Marshawn Lynch. Not numbered. But yeah, man. 5 autographs, 4 on card, and a patch auto, 4 color, number 125, Marcel Darius. Man, that's a nice box. Alright, buddy, I appreciate the purchase.